Want a plan that actually works? Let me show you in 3 simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Know your X and Y. Now comes what almost nobody does, the breakdown of the target. Most people just plan for if everything goes right. But success is built on anticipating what goes wrong. So, list every obstacle you'll face. Use this formula. If you have obstacle X, then you'll tackle it with action Y. And you should always anticipate your X and create your Ys. For example, if I get an urge to eat a cheat meal during my fat loss journey, I'll grab a low-calorie snack instead. Step 2. Define the true target. Most people write down goals. They sound inspiring, but they're not precise. Here's what the top 1% do differently. They define a true target, one specific outcome with a non-negotiable deadline. Not grow on YouTube, but upload 2 videos a week for the next 30 days. Not get fit, but lose 3 kilograms by August 1st. Step 3. Anchor and activate. This is the most ignored but crucial step, the one that turns your plan into a ritual. Most people make a plan and expect willpower to do the rest. But top performers don't rely on memory. They install the plan into their daily flow, using 2 tools, anchors and reminders. An anchor is any action you already do every day. Brushing your teeth, drinking coffee, opening your laptop. You attach your plan to that moment. Example, right after I brush my teeth, I look at my 3-step plan. A reminder is about external accountability. Because memory fades and motivation drops, you need external triggers. Use sticky notes, calendar events, even ask a friend to check in.